Yo, what up guys? Beast Ricky here. I haven't posted a video in about 2 months, so I decided to do an updated 2015 bike check. I've never had one of these on my channel before, but since I quit scootering and got into biking, decided I'd do one. So, starting from the top, I got black Cult Vans grips with Cult Vans bar ends, but this one broke, I think. Yeah, that one. But this one I have. Next we have Shadow Conspiracy local bars in chrome, 8.75 rise by 29 wide. Next we have Profile acoustic stem in chrome, 48 millimeters. I flipped it upside down just to get some extra rise. Next we have Shadow Conspiracy integrated headset in chrome. One of my favorite headsets ever. It spins really nice. Next for the frame, we have a Fiend Garrett Reynolds signature frame. One of the lightest frames on the market. Next, we have the lightest forks on the market at our Demolition Elites, silver or chrome. Love these forks. Tires, I have Claw Ridgestone tires, 2.23 front and back. Got the G Sport roll cage rims and Profile Mini hub in the front in chrome. Next we have Odyssey JCPC pedals. We got the Premium 1948s spline drive cranks in black. We got Profile left-hand drive spline drive sprocket chrome. For the bottom bracket, I have an Odyssey spline drive bottom bracket. Back rim, same as the front. G Sport roll cage. Sorry about that. For the hub, I have a Profile Mini SS cassette. And yeah, so I'm gonna do like a hub check basically. And I did forget the chain. It's a Shadow Conspiracy Interlock 2 in black. And yeah. Oh, also the seat. It's an Odyssey Galaxy seat, pivotal, with a Fiend pivotal seat post. So yeah, the bike weighs 18 pounds. And if you guys want to see some clips or anything, add it. Just put it down in the description. This is your boy Anthony. And I'm out.